At most once and at least once are terms that you're going to hear a lot when it comes to Kafka and event streaming. At most once and at least once are delivery guarantees in messaging systems that describe how a consumer will process messages in the event of a failure. So let's first take up at most once processing. This guarantee means a message will be processed either once or not at all, but never more than once. The system prioritizes preventing duplicate messages even if it means losing a message occasionally. The primary risk of this approach is that data loss is possible. Imagine you have a to-do list. You decide to tick the box for send important email before you actually write and send it. If you get distracted or your computer crashes right after you tick the box but before you send the email, you will never send it because your to-do list says the task is already done. The task was processed at most once, in this case 0 times. So how does it work in Kafka? Well, this occurs when a consumer is configured to commit its offset automatically. The consumer fetches a message. The library automatically commits the offset in the background, ticking the box, and then your application crashes before it finishes processing the message. When it restarts, it begins from the new offset, having skipped the message it never processed. Now let's take up at least once processing. This guarantee means a message will be processed 1 or more times, but never 0 times. The system prioritizes ensuring every message is processed, even if it means a message might occasionally be processed twice. Primary risk here is that duplicate processing is possible. Earlier, the risk was that data loss was possible, and now the risk is that we might face duplication. Imagine the same to-do list now. This time, you write and successfully send the send important email first. Then, just as you are about to tick the box, your computer crashes. When you reboot, you look at your to-do list. The box isn't ticked, so you have no confirmation the task is done. And to be safe, you write and send the email again. The task was processed at least once. And specifically in this case, it was processed twice. And twice is at least once. So I'm taking an example with human, but you can consider a robot because a human would remember if the computer crashed and the email was sent. But let's say it's a dumb robot or it's someone suffering from amnesia, a very short-term memory loss, and that's why the person is not able to remember if the email was sent or not. And it's the same thing with our broker, with our Kafka broker or any event streaming broker. So that's why these concepts exist. So now let's come to Kafka. How does this happen in Kafka? At least once. At least once processing. So this occurs when a consumer is configured to commit its offset manually. Your application fetches a message, successfully processes it, for example, writes it to a database, but then crashes before it can manually commit the offset to Kafka. When it restarts, it doesn't know if it already processed that message. So it fetches the same message again from the last saved offset and processes it a second time.